All the people here suffered a lot of problem, and some of the people I have seen by my own eye, they have died in the way. And Iran forces killed a lot of people in Iran border. Whenever we are crossing the border from Iran to Turkey, they were shooting the people. There were a family with us, and so unfortunately we have lost 4 women by shot dead of the Iran forces. So because of this, we have suffered a lot of problem here. We want from Europe to give asylum to the people who are suffering from war and from fighting. Especially we are also suffering from fight. We escaped from fight through Europe. So we want from Europe to let us and give us citizenship. We came, our goal is to cross the border. Yeah, we will stay here until we cross the border. There is no alternative.